Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad, estimation, quantity, surveying, and evaluation. I'm Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In last previous videos, I explained about separate wall method and short wall method. That is long wall, short wall method, or individual wall method. What is a long wall method? First of all, you have to find the center to center. Then you have to calculate out to out, whatever it may be, long wall length or short wall length. Here we will see one problem example here. See here, observe clearly if you understand this one. If you understand this one, yeah, you definitely will get 10 marks out of 10. In the examination, this may be one room or two rooms. Here, this is a room size of, this is a room, this is a room, okay? This is a room of size, how much is given? 5 meters by how much? 4 meters. In this way, in the examination, they will give you, only you will have this room size, right? So shorter direction is 4 meters. Here, shorter direction is 4 meters. So this is shorter direction. You can say this is short wall. From here to here. So this is say long wall. This is long wall. Okay. This is long wall, 5 meters. So in this problem, how many long walls there? 2. See here, 1, right? Here, 2. Okay. Here, number of walls, here is also 1. So total long walls is equal to 2, right? So here, first of all, what is the first step? What we have to do? We know clear dimension and width of your walls. See 0.3 meters, 0.3 meters. First of all, what I explained, if you look at the section, this is cross section. See, this is plan, this is cross section. Here, in this plan, you have room size, right? This is room size, right? Okay. Then you have to write like this: long wall length and short wall length. This is one thing you have to picturized in your mind, this plan. Okay. That the length is 5 meters, that is 4 meter is your short wall length. There are 2 long walls and 2 short walls. Okay. After understanding, you can go for, we'll do for 2 rooms problem, then 4 rooms problem, like that. Then what is the width of here? Wall 300 mm, this side 300 mm, both sides similar walls. So symmetric walls. So that is 300 mm. You have to convert into meters. You have to convert into meters. So here, this is plan. How to calculate? Then just you understand this section, right? This section, okay? You have to imagine, you have to picturize. This is width of wall, right? This is, what is this? Here you will have actually PCC bed foundation. Okay, this is your, you will have PCC bed foundation, right? See, this also may be 0.3 meters, right? Here 0.3 meters. Right? See here, see that what Here there is no hard and fast rule. Here, what is the height? Here, what is the height? Here, what is height here? Here, yes. Here, now, this is a section of your long wall, right? This is section of your long wall, cross section. Here, you will have, what is that? PCC bed, I explained. And here, first footing, what is the, this is width of your first footing, 0.9 meters. And depth of first footing, 0.3 meters. See, observe carefully. And what is second footing width? 0.6 meters. Okay. And what is width of second footing? Depth of the second footing, 0.3 meters. Maybe vary, 0.2, 0.4, 0.5. Right? Here, what is the width of your third footing? See, 0.5 meters. Depth is again 0.3 meters. Right? What is the height of your wall? Is 3.5 meters. Here, from here to here, 3.5 meters. What is the width of wall? See, 0.3 meter. See, sometimes here you may not have this dimension. They will show you in the cross section. See, this is the problem you have to observe. That is, observe the plan and section. Picturize, reimagining. These are words very important. So you yourself imagine. Suppose don't confuse if they don't give any dimension here width. They may show here in the wall itself. Sometimes if it is here, you may not have this value if you have this one. Okay. If you have this value given, sometimes in problem, you may not see this value. So in this way, now you understand what is the typical cross section. Of course, there are windows, doors, and first of all, we try to understand the concept of long walls, short wall method or separate wall method. To understand this, this is the one example where we're doing this complete room with long walls with two short walls. And here cross section of with the foundation, right? And say this is 0.3 meters, okay? And first footing width is 0.3 meters, depth is 0.3 meters, 0.6 meters second footing, 0.3 meters depth second footing, 0.5 meters width is third footing, 0.3 meters depth is third footing. And head of the wall is 3.5 meters and depth of our wall is 0.3 meters. See, if you observe carefully here, for example, this is a ground. See, for excavation from here to your below plane, PCC. So, how much total value here? You have to add these four. So, 0.3. Here, you have to add 0.3. See here, 0.3. How much? Again 0.3. If values vary, you write vary value. Maybe sometimes maybe 2 or 3. Here plus 0.3 again. Plus again. Plus again. Here 0.3. Right? See 0.3. 0.3. plus in you will have 3. How much total is equal to 1. This is depth of your excavation. So from the section, you are able to calculate it 1.2. Here, here 0.3 automatically here 15, 150 mm, 150 mm. So that is here you will have total of 1 to point meters. So excavation width is your 1.2 meters and depth is total depth from here to bottom is 1.2 meter. Just now is calculated, right? Is calculated. See, this is equal to, right? So this is, in this way we have to calculate. You have to observe. Here, first one is, what is first one we calculated? First one is center to center, 5.3 meters. Okay. Now I want excavation out to out, right? Out to out. This is 1.2 meters. So suppose your excavation is like this. Okay. Okay. See, always you have to check for transfer. I will clear all this thing and I will show explain. See, your excavation, this is your excavation will be like this. This is 1.2 meters with, say for example, 1.2 meters, right? See, this is in shorter direction. This is shorter direction. See, this is your excavation. Okay. See, this is your excavation, right? See, this is straight line actually. Now, if you see, this is excavation for long wall, right? See, here from center 5.3 plus here 1.2 because here you will have 1.2 width of your this PCC bed excavation width. So here 1.2 by 2, 1.52. To total is 5 plus 1.2. So 6.2 meters is your foundation width out. In this way, you have to calculate and I will explain in detail in further problem.